In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join paths in Figma. To begin, open your Figma design file. Our first task is to create an initial path. Locate the pen tool in your left-hand toolbar, typically a small fountain pen icon, and click to activate it. Move your cursor onto the canvas and click once to place your first anchor point. To create a curve or bend in your line, instead of just clicking for a straight segment, click and then drag your mouse to place the next anchor point. As you drag, Bézier handles will appear, allowing you to control the curve's direction and intensity. For this demonstration, let's create an open, curved line. Once satisfied with its shape, press the Escape key on your keyboard or click the Done button in the toolbar at the top to finalize this first path. This ensures it's a complete selectable object on its own. Now that our first path is complete, we'll create a second, entirely separate path. Reselect the pen tool from your toolbar, move to a different area of your canvas, and click to place your initial anchor point for this new path. Just like before, click and drag to add subsequent points, creating another distinct curved line, bending it as you desire. The important thing is that this is a completely independent vector object from your first one. Once you've crafted your second unique path, remember to press Escape or click Done to finalize it. You should now have two individual, selectable vector paths on your canvas, ready for the next crucial step. With both individual paths now created, the next step is to join them into a single, unified vector object. First, you need to select both paths. You can easily do this by clicking on your first path, then holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, and clicking on the second path. This ensures both are highlighted and active. Alternatively, if they are close together, you can simply drag a selection box with your mouse that encompasses both objects. Once both paths are selected, you'll combine them using the Flatten selection command. This command is incredibly versatile, especially for vector layers, as it converts multiple selected objects into a single, cohesive, editable vector layer, effectively merging their underlying vector data. To execute this, you have two convenient options. You can right-click anywhere on your selected paths, and from the context menu that appears, simply choose Flatten Selection. For quicker access, use the keyboard shortcut. Press Command E on a Mac or Control E on a Windows machine. Once you activate Flatten Selection, you will immediately notice a change in your Layers panel. What were previously two distinct path layers will now be consolidated into one single vector layer. This unified layer represents a complete, merged shape, meaning you can now seamlessly edit all the anchor points and segments of both original paths as if they were always part of the same continuous object. This technique is invaluable for streamlining your layer hierarchy, simplifying complex designs, and preparing custom vector shapes for further manipulation.